Good morning, guys. It is 6:30 a.m.
October 22nd,
Yes.
2021.
We are at Tampa International Airport right now. We've been up since 3:30 a.m. packing our bags, driving to the airport. So a little tired, but super excited because we are on our way to Hawaii.
Hawaii!
Yeah, we got about 10 days in Hawaii. And we got a lot planned. Gonna do a lot of hiking, a lot of adventuring, and we'll be bringing you guys along with us. So let's go. We'll see you there.
So check it out, guys. Hawaii has always been a bucket list of ours, but we always found some reason or excuse not to go. After the pandemic, though, we realized life is too short and too unpredictable. So we booked the flights and started planning the most epic Hawaii vacation. We only had 9 days, so we tried to fill it with the biggest adventures, wildest hikes, memories to last a lifetime. This is our Hawaii vlog part 1.
Hi guys, we made it to Hawaii finally.
Yeah!
We're gonna go get our bags, and then we're meeting with our friend Vanessa, who we're staying with. Shout out Vanessa.
Yeah, we can't wait to explore,
And
go hiking and eat some acai.
yes. Hi guys. We'll go get our bags and we'll check in with you.
But first priority was food. After an 8-hour flight, we were starving, so we headed to Lehigh Health to refuel. This place is entirely plant-based, and we ordered smoothies, bacon mustard tacos, and a tuna bowl. All of it was delicious. After eating, we were finally ready for our first hike. We were pretty exhausted from jet lag and the time change, so we started with an easy hike, Hanama Bay Trail. It was a great way to get us acclimated and offered some really pretty sunset views. We then made our way over to Tantalus Lookout. This spot overlooks Waikiki and it has some spectacular views at night. Definitely recommend it. We couldn't think of a more perfect way to end day 1, so after this we went home and crashed and prepared for our first full day on Oahu.
Good morning, guys.
Hello, hello.
It's 5:30 roughly. Official full day, first full day on the island here. And yeah, we're gonna hike Lanikai Pillbox and then hit up Lanikai Beach and trying to get there by sunrise. Hopefully we'll do it, we'll find out. But we'll see you there. On our way down from the Lanikai Pillbox, we watched sunrise. It was absolutely beautiful. And we're about to go hit up Lanikai Beach next. And I don't know, after that, just go from there.
If you're looking for a great beach on Oahu, Lanikai is where it's at. The white sand, the clear blue waters, the islands out in the distance. Let's just say it's definitely Instagram worthy. It does get crowded though, so I suggest you get there early if you can. All in all though, definitely one of our favorite beaches from the entire trip. After Lanikai Beach, we had worked up an appetite, so we headed over to the Beatbox Cafe. I had the McJagger sandwich, which is this amazing vegan breakfast sandwich, and Donna had an acai bowl. Both were delicious, and we definitely recommend this place while visiting. From there, we jumped back in the car, and Vanessa took us on a tour of the Manalua Makapu Scenic Byway. This highway takes you around the eastern coast of Oahu and has some incredible views and places to stop and explore. Let's go check it out. One spot I definitely recommend to stop at is Halona Beach Cove. This beach is somewhat hidden and has these huge rock formations that you can climb out onto for some stunning views. We got some super cool drone shots of the crashing waves here. It's also a great spot for a little cliff jumping, so you know I couldn't pass up on a few backflips into the ocean. After exploring, it was time for dinner, so we stopped at this dope ramen restaurant called Nude's Ramen Bar. We started off with some edamame, followed by this delicious tofu appetizer. Next, we ordered the mushroom bao, followed by the black ramen and the Thai curry ramen. Yeah, we were a little hungry and everything was amazing here, so we went a little overboard, but this is one of our favorite restaurants we ate at in Oahu. After dinner, we walked to a local park and watched the sunset with Vanessa and her rabbit buds before hitting the sack. After all, we had a lot of hiking planned for the next day. Day 3 started with rain. Lots and lots of rain. But we weren't about to let a little rain get in the way of our adventure. So we booted up and headed to the Wili Wili Nui Ridge Trail. Alright guys, we're on a Wili Wili Nui hike, and it is pouring. I don't know if you can see, but it's pretty wet. But we're having a good time still. Getting soaked. We're hoping the rain will clear up, but if not, it is what it is. Wili Wili Nui is about a 5-mile hike round trip and is rated as moderate. The first half is fairly easy, but around the halfway mark you come to the infamous stairs built into the side of the mountain. This is where it gets tough, as it's a pretty steep and constant climb from here on out. Add in some rain and it makes for a very slick and muddy trek. But we had come this far already and we were determined to make it to the top no matter what. And then we finally saw it, the end of the trail, known for its incredible views. Alright guys, we made it to the top of Wili Wili Nui. There's no view at all. You can't see anything.
just straight fog and clouds. But we did make it at least. It was fun. It was wet. We're both completely soaked. I had to put the camera up at one point just because it was pouring. Like, I couldn't keep it out. It was getting too wet. And it's starting to rain again here at the top. So yeah, we're gonna head down. But yeah, it was fun. I would definitely recommend it, but I would recommend doing it on a clear day because you can't really see much. But I feel like on a clear day it'd be epic views. Alright, catch you later.
And so, a little disappointed and very wet, we began our descent back down the stairs. We were feeling a little bummed out that we missed out on all the views, but then suddenly, as if something out of a dream, the rain just stopped, the clouds lifted, and what they revealed, well, I'll let the footage speak for itself. Although the hike didn't go exactly as planned, this was a great reminder that life isn't always blue skies and sunshine. Sometimes it's dark clouds and, well, rain. But one thing I've always found is that every storm eventually ends. And when it does, it can make way for some of the most beautiful moments. And after all, without the rain, we would not have the beauty of nature to explore. And for that, I'm truly grateful.
So we made it back from Willy Willy Nui.
What up?
It was a crazy hike. We got rained on pretty much the whole way to the top. We couldn't see anything at the top just because it was cloudy. But fortunately on the way back it cleared up and we actually got some beautiful footage with the drone. And yeah, it turned out to be a really good hike. What do you think?
It was a lot of fun because it was pouring and we were all wet, but it was muddy and it's beautiful and it was worth it.
Our feet are disgusting, like just nasty mud everywhere. So
We'll show you.
We're gonna go home, shower, and then grab some food because we're starving. And then I think we're gonna go to North Shore if weather's good. If not, we might go to the west side of the island, but we're still figuring that out. But yeah, definitely recommend Willy Willy Nui, but recommend doing it on a day when it's not raining because one, you can't see much, and two, it's kind of sketchy at times.
Unless you're super adventurous and you don't mind getting soaked.
But we'll catch you guys later.
Bye.
See ya. Got the Sprout Witch, vegan patty, a bunch of veggies. Looks good.
Yeah. I can't wait.
After a quick bite, it was back to hiking. It was getting late and we wanted to try to fit in one last hike. So we hurried over to the Maili Pillbox to catch the sunset and some rainbows over the west coast of Oahu.
Take my mind and run with you. You shine so bright. I don't got no real estate and nobody knows my name. I could find a place and see it all a different way. Slow down, you got what you need.
great friends, gorgeous sunsets, and ocean views. You know, it's nights like these that make life worth living. The first 3 days of our trip had honestly felt like a dream. And little did we know though, the adventure was just getting started. Alright guys, that's it for the first part of a Hawaii trip. But don't worry, we still have parts 2 and 3 coming soon, where we explore the island of Kauai and go on even more epic hikes on Oahu. If you enjoyed this video, please like and comment, as this really does help us out. We also have some really big travel plans for 2022 as well, so please subscribe if you want to see more adventures like this. We really do appreciate it. Until next time though, stay wild.
Does it feel like I've been